Hi everyone, I'm Tom Watkins with Advanced Upstream, and today we're going to do a little demonstration of how our dart, our Limitless dart, will pump through casing latch and a liner hanger. So what we've got on the ground in front of us in the test fixture is a latch that would be used to deploy your liner into the well, and then under the cardboard here is the liner hanger assembly. There's a little bit of a gap inside this assembly, and there's some concerns about perhaps the dart could get caught in it. So what we're going to do is we're going to pump it through about 700-800 liters a minute, whatever our truck can do. We'll do one dart, which is the ball and place dart, and then we'll follow it up after that with the standard dart, which we have over here as well. We'll pump both of them one after the other, and we'll demonstrate that there's no issue with our darts passing through typical completion jewelry. So Vas, you want to get things going here? So we'll start with our ball and place dart. We'll throw that inside. And we'll do the same thing like we normally do, Vas. We'll get the pump rate set and then open and close our valves to initiate the flow. So we're ready to go. We've got the dart loaded, truck wound up. We'll open and close our valves and we'll launch the dart. Nothing to it. So there's our dart launched through the assembly. We'll do our next one here in a sec. Okay, so we've got our second dart loaded, and we'll get the pumps going here right away. And again, out it comes, no problems. So there's our second dart through the latch assembly and the liner hanger, no problem, no issues at all for hanging up at all.